50,000, then 100,000 plus and more to 300,000 potentially, then you have to watch this video till the end, guys. I have something exciting to show you, especially to all the crypto investors out there. And this happens once in a while. This is a massive signal for the direction of Bitcoin. If you're just joining my channel for the first time, I would appreciate it if you subscribe and like the video. For every single like that I get, I do a push-up. Now, guys, it's time to make money again in crypto. I hope you guys are prepared because this bull run is just getting started and it's all about positioning and what you do. So I'm going to get straight to the point here, guys. Check this out. This is the Fed's balance sheet, and I have used the nitrous bull to basically turn it on. Is the indicator to show us the signals for when it's going bullish and it's going bearish. Now, if you don't understand what this is, it means this is the total amount of outstanding cash that's out there that the Fed is printing. When the Fed is printing more money, you see a growth of this chart. It means more money in the system, and that leads to growth in risk on assets like stocks, cryptocurrency, and so on and so forth. Now, this is in 2010. The last time this signal was bullish was in 2020. This is in 2020. At the beginning of COVID, it went bullish, and it took almost 2 years for a bearish call to show on here. So from 2020 all the way up to 2022, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies was basically booming. It was a bull market. And right now, and since then, the Fed started cutting down and the balance sheet started thinning because they started increasing interest rates. And then you can see the bearish call was made right here. And we have been in the decline ever since. So you can see that the nitrous bull is really accurate when it comes to this kind of signals. And right now, in March, on 15th of March 2023, you can see that the nitrous bull has actually gone bullish again. And what does this mean? It means that we will see another season, more likely, like what we have seen before. Because if you look historically at this chart, it takes a while for the nitrous bull to change the signal. It doesn't print a signal today, say that we're bullish, and then tomorrow it changes to bearish. It doesn't happen. These are long-term cycles, right? So you have to be careful. I mean, back in the day, it used to be different because the Fed balance sheet was a little different, was way, way lower than it is, right? So if you look in the 2010 area, this was only $2 trillion of the balance sheet. And now that has increased. I mean, it has increased all the way to almost 9 trillion, right? And right now we're at about $8.6 trillion, and this is more likely to keep on growing. So this, guys, to me is a signal for me to go all in on Bitcoin and crypto. It's massive. And if you want to get this indicator, by the way, the nitrous bull, it gives you the signals on different charts on Bitcoin or on fundamentals like this. Link is in the description below. You can buy it. You only pay once and you have free access forever. All right. The next thing here is Bitcoin itself. Now, we basically were sandwiched in this area here. If you look at the Bollinger Band that I'm looking at, we have been sandwiched for a very long time. And now we have a leg up, which means we broke out of this range. We're starting a new territory. And now above us here, there is a little bit of a push. There's a little bit of sell pressure here in this red zone. And that's why you can see that we have exactly bounced off around that area. But the moment we break above this, guys, we're going straight to 38,000. So be prepared for that. And there is potential for a retrace. Is almost imminent that it will happen. And the way you're going to trade that is that you're just going to use a Fibonacci retracement and buy the Fibonacci levels. Or you can be shorting, or at least what I'm doing, I am shorting based on the Fibonacci and taking profit at the rebounds. I'll show you guys in detail what I mean by that. But Bitcoin looks so good. The volumes are still a little bit weak because for us to have a leg up, we need volumes like what we're looking at here. You see this? You see this? Currently, the volume, even though we have seen a leg up, it's still a little bit weak. And we will see the volumes coming. So the moment you see volumes coming in big, make sure to go all in. Or at least I'm going all in. That's exactly what I'm doing. Now, Ethereum also has found a leg after a long time of consolidation. Ethereum has been boring. It was struggling to break $2,000. And very, very soon, we will see Ethereum at around $2,400. Right now, we are at an area where there is resistance based on this sideways band. You can see in the volume profile, there is a little bit of a resistance there. But once we break above this area, guys, we're going all the way to 2400. And it's been a long time since we've been there. Look, this is an area of a lot of sell-off at around $2,000. So we're just trying to break above it. Once we break above it, it's 2400 all in. So I'm long on Ethereum. I've opened a long position, and so far I'm in profit because I started at 1700, and I'm still keeping that position open for now. Now, quickly looking at the USDX, guys, as you can see, this is a very interesting divergence of what happens. The US dollar is falling, Bitcoin rise. So all the trends are basically in place. This is the US dollar. This is Bitcoin, right? So this is a perfect indicator of what's going on. And you can see that with the nitrous bull, even the USDX itself is also in a bearish direction right now. So these are all positives for Bitcoin. Anyway, enough about that. I will now jump into the altcoins. And by the way, if you want to use the platforms that I use for trading, links are in the description. I use Bybit for derivatives and futures. And I use also OKX for mostly my spot trades and futures because I like to diversify my exchanges. I don't like to keep all my money in one place, especially now that I've taken a lot of my money out of my hardware storage, my code storage. They're now on exchanges because I'm trading very actively, making money as the market is pumping. I think those are incredible exchanges. So use my link to sign up. You get welcome bonuses up to $30,000 depending on how much you deposit. Guys, by the way, if blacks, if you're watching this video, look at this open squeeze right now. We're winning. We went in here before $100, and now we actually reached $150 yesterday, and it's incredible now that we are 50% up already on this position. So shout out to everybody who took this position with me. Be careful, the volumes are still really low, so you can play this altcoin with a small margin for those of you who are trading it. Anyway, now looking at other positions that I talked about, especially the things that I shared in the alpha group in Discord, guys, we are doing fantastic. BTC winning, Ethereum winning, Injective Protocol. I mean, oh my God, let's check it out. Injective Protocol, guys, is doing incredibly well. INJ, and I shared this in the Discord way before it started pumping, and I went long, and if you also went long with me, it means that we are printing big time on this one. So Injective Protocol looking good. The volumes are extremely massive, so I don't expect this one to stop just yet. Of course, there will be a little bit of a retrace. So all you need to do here is basically do a Fibonacci strategy. You can start grabbing the positions whenever you see a retrace happening, right? So this is what has happened so far. And if you want to attempt to short this, you could short until the 0.236 of the Fibonacci. And then you can also be buying at these levels of the retrace so that you can be on your way up. The $10, this one I think is imminent, and even more as the market matures even more. So look into it. Another coin that I am super excited about is GMX. So I told you guys about GMX. You can never say that I didn't tell you about it. I told you GMX, you buy before it even reached to these levels, and then you stake it. The farms on GMX are extremely crazy. With GMX and USDC, you're gaining about some of them 30%, some of them 60% APY because GMX accumulates a lot of money in trading fees. So this also, by the way, fundamentally has a very low supply. So if you are going to be using, if you are going to be staking this, you also have a very good potential of the upside of the coin going up massively here. Let me just show you what I'm trying to say. This is GMX. It has a max supply of only 13 million tokens. I think that's pretty decent right there, right? It's even less than BTC. BTC is 21 million. This coin is 13 mil. So, and that is the max supply, but the current circulating supply is only 8 million. So the upside for this coin is really impressive, and the trading volume 24 hours still on the low end at around $70 million. Okay, I need to go, but quickly I can just share a few other ones. Oh, obviously Arbitrum. I told you guys about Arbitrum that when it was crashing, it's a good opportunity to be picking it up. It didn't go all the way to $1 like we wanted it to, but it did retrace nicely that we'll be able to pick it up, and also to long it earlier around 1.17 and 120, and now we're going out on the moon, guys. So I can tell you one thing for sure: it will retrace, and it's already retracing nicely, but this is only temporary. Where am I going to link now? Arbitrum, if you're a trader, I'm trading it. I'm short currently because I am playing the retracement game, but overall on the spot positions, I'm long. So I'm shorting to catch the retracements, and then once I catch the retracement, I'm also buying at spot or even going long sometimes to basically be exposed to the upside. This, I think $3 is more likely going to happen on Arbitrum, but that is my position, or at least my take on it. This is not financial advice. I'm going to leave you with a few alpha that you need to pay attention to. More alpha I already posted in the Discord server in the alpha group yesterday. For those of you who are in there, check out what I posted there yesterday. I'm not going to share it publicly here because it's only for the private alpha group members, which you can join. Also, link is in the description. But I'll share 3 tokens publicly here that you guys can also make money on, or at least I've taken positions on it. Atom, if you look at the chart on Atom, Cosmos is going to show you flames, bro, that this is more likely going to happen. After a long time of consolidation and boring market movement, Atom is coming back. It's just getting started warming up, and you can look at the volumes yourself. It's starting to happen. So I'm not going to say more, but never say I didn't tell you. You can see how Atom is building up over there. Another token that you should pay attention to is OKB. This is OKX native token on their platform. It's going to basically destroy the last all-time high of $58 very soon, in my opinion. So I have a position on it. You can buy it on OKX. Link is in the description. But also, OKT is another related token to that, but it's for the OKX chain. This token is also starting to show really good accumulation in volumes. All right. And it hasn't moved yet. It hasn't made any massive moves. And when it moves, it actually makes really big legs. The thing is that it moves like a pump and dump token. So it's always good to buy it when it's just getting into its accumulation zone and it's gaining momentum. And after a breakout, especially above this red line here, that's when you want to pick up. And then it's more likely to explode. So what I've done on this one, I haven't bought it yet, but I have put a buy order just about the point of control, which is about $25.22. This is also available on OKX. Link is in the description below. Another token that I wanted to share with you guys, what is it? Yeah, I think those are the ones that are prepared for this live stream. So I know there is also a Sui airdrop going on. Well, not an airdrop. The airdrop is not going, it's not happening anymore, but they have a private sale. So there are a lot of things or strategies to make on that one for us to make money. I will make another live stream and share with you guys on exactly what needs to be done for you to profit off that. And for those of you guys who want to be part of my trading group, you can join on Discord, especially in this bull market. If you are serious about making money, it's something that you have to be part of. It's the alpha group. I share all my alpha in there. I have other expert traders in there. And if you also want to learn how to trade on your own, my course is incredibly helpful at Crypto University. So link to Crypto University Masterclass is down in the description below. Link to the alpha group where you can simply just be copying signals there or copying what other traders are doing is also in the description. You can join in. It pays because you make money, we make money. It's an incredible symbiotic relationship. All right. Thank you, guys. I'll see you on the next video. I hope you are printing and this is only getting started. We are going to make life-changing money, guys, in this altcoin. Just make sure let me tell you the secret, guys. Make sure you're selling back to BTC and ETH whenever you make money on the shitcoins.